Hi, I'm Deanne Tracy. I'm the founder of Peak Sense Botanical Body Care. It all started when I was a rafting guide on the Colorado River, and as you can imagine, that is one of the hardest environments for skin. So myself and my fellow guiding community were all just, our skin was trashed. We were using chemical sunscreens, which would actually cause reactions. I grew up in an herbal apothecary. I studied herbal medicine at the Southwest School of Botanical Medicine. So having a background in plant medicine, I knew there was a way to create really healthy, healing products for the skin. We soak all of our herbs in oil, and then from there we blend everything by hand. We hand pour. We do a combination of plants, antioxidants, and really great oils and butters for the skin. Our Power Repair Face Cream is probably our most popular product. Once you try products with plants, you'll never go back because you just will notice a difference in how your skin looks and feels.